Hello people of the world, it is Lego Machine X here, and today I am back with a new video showing all of you how to remove these with only this. Yes, that's right, today I'm going to be showing you how to remove Lego keychains from Lego minifigures with only a fork. And let's just get right into it. So first off, you'll need a keychain Lego minifigure. Next thing you'll need is a fork. Don't use your parents' fine china forks or whatever, just a normal metal fork that's not super expensive will do. And yeah, second off, you first get the fork, you put it through this thing, and then you twist. You twist, you twist, and boom. Take off that part. Let's go. Okay, so that part was pretty easy. You just take it off with the fork, either by twisting or by just yanking it off with leverage. Next off, you might need a little smaller fork, I'm realizing, and then it's pretty simple too. You just get the edge of the fork that's a bit pointy, you put it through here, boom, you take it off. Okay, see that? You see that? Boom, took it off that easy. Okay, so now the third thing you do is you twist off the minifigure head. Boom. Take off the cape or whatever it has on it. If it doesn't have a cape, then you're good. And then just do this. And you take off the metal part of the keychain. Little rod part. And boom, you've removed a keychain from a Lego minifigure. Okay, I'm going to do it one more time just so you can get the gist of it. Remember, use the pointy part of the fork. If one of them's pointier, then use that part, and probably use a small fork. That's metal, not a plastic one. This is just a good pro tip right there. So you wiggle it in right here. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Okay. And then, boom, taken right off. Careful with the head, don't want to smear the printing. And then next step you do, as I said again, you just put it here. And just break that off. It comes off real easy when you put a lot of pressure on it. So yeah, boom. Now I got this Toby Spider-Man from 2004. They literally got on Bricklink for $10. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you everybody so much for watching. If you enjoy other Lego Batman 2006 stuff, check this video right here. Thanks so much for watching. Lego Machine X out. And bye.